What's the meaning of Celtic? Celtic. Celtic.
Celtic. Celtic. Celtic refers to the people, culture, and language of the Celts, an ancient Indo-European group of tribes that originated in Central Europe and spread throughout much of Western Europe over the centuries. The Celts developed unique art, music, and religious practices that continue to influence modern culture. Today, Celtic often refers to the Celtic languages still spoken in Ireland, Scotland, Wales, Cornwall, and Brittany, as well as to the sports, festivals, and other traditions associated with these regions. The term Celtic also applies to a style of music, often featuring the use of traditional instruments and folk melodies.